What's going on, boaters? We have a 2027 Cobalt R8 here in the showroom at MarineMax Crosslake. Let's hop inside, take a great look at this boat. Love the all-white exterior with the brown sea deck, super nice touch. The sun pad, awesome here. You can flip it many different ways if you want a larger cockpit or if you want to hang out at the sandbar. Super easy. Also love that you have your Fusion remote there, so whoever's sitting in the seat can control your music. No shortage of cup holders or storage in this boat here. We have dual Garmin touchscreens in the front here. This is nice. You can protect your steering wheel, bolster seat for the captain, and a huge bow area. Really nice spot to sit, hang out for the day. You have armrests here. Gonna be a nice spot to relax. Come see this boat at MarineMax Crosslake.